how to reduce your sugar level from higher level to the lower level or to the minimum level. Assuming that your sugar level is high, 130 mg/dl, it is high, and once your sugar level is high, it can cause diabetes 2 type. Once your sugar level is high, it can cause so many things in your body. So what can you do to reduce your sugar level to the lower level? Normal level is from 72 mg/dl to 100, but abnormal level or higher level is when the sugar level is from 100 up to 140, 130, 150. That is higher level. And you know the consequences when your sugar level is high. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. So if you are looking for videos like this or other related video concerning men and natural ways to keep them, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. When you use glucometer to test your sugar level and it reads 8, it is normal. Normal sugar level is from 72 to 100, but abnormal level is when the level is from 100 to 130 or 140. That is abnormal level, and you know the consequences, and that consequences is diabetes. So avoid this. Check your sugar level with glucometer and make sure that your sugar level is at normal level. But if your sugar level is high, how are you going to make it to be at the normal level? There are 2 fruits that you can use to decrease or to reduce your sugar level naturally within 5 days. These fruits are very powerful. In fact, this thing that I am sharing to you works. It works by the grace of God. It works. So make sure that you consume them as I am going to teach you or direct you, so that you will have a maximum results. So how are you going to reduce your sugar level to normal level? First and foremost, make sure that you will practice and adopt this measure and watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss the step. What are the fruits? Number 1 is cucumber. It will reduce sugar level. And as you are eating this cucumber, eat it alongside with bitter cola. These 2 works wonders as far as your sugar level is concerned. These 2 things can decrease your sugar level. I bet you, once you take these 2 fruits on daily basis, it will reduce your sugar level as fast as possible, as more than you expect. So take bitter cola once every day and take cucumber once every day, 2 of them every day. And as you take them every day for good 5 days, that your sugar level will reduce to normal. It will come down to, maybe if it is at 100 and 120 and above, it must surely come down to 80, 70 or 90 mg/dl. So with these 2 fruits, you are good to go. Your sugar level will come back to normal, and after taking this within 5 days, you will come back here and thank me later. I hope you get value from this video and you like this video. Please, if you do, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Comment on this video, like, share, and subscribe once again. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.